Hello, welcome back to our Spanish lessons. Today we're going to study a very tricky letter in the Spanish alphabet, which is the letter G. It's a little tricky because it depends on which vowel it's after the letter. It will sound a little different. Normally it sounds like when in English you say gun or guitar, this g sound. Some examples of words that doesn't have any change would be gato, which means cat. One more time, gato. Last time, gato. Other word, it's grande. You heard the sound grande, which means big. Grande. Grande. Now it comes the exceptions. If after the H letter you have an E or an I, it doesn't sound like a G or Ge. It would sound like He or He. For example, the word girasol, which means sunflower. One more time, girasol. Last time, girasol. Or with the G and E, it would sound he. For example, genio, which has three meanings actually. Genio could mean like somebody who is very smart, very intelligent. Also means a genie, like in the Aladdin story. You get the genie. And also it means mood, genio. For example, bad mood, good mood. That's the kind of meaning it has, genio. For example, buen genio, good mood, bad mood, mal genio. It depends how do you use it, right? That's the rule here. If you have the G and E or E, it will sound girasol, genio. Now, if you want to get the sound of ge or gi, you have to put an U in the middle, like G, U, E, or G, U, I. For example, guitarra, which means guitar. Guitarra. One last time, guitarra. And now with G, U, E, which sounds ge. For example, guerra, which means war. Guerra. One last time, guerra. Now, what happens if you have a word that actually would sound like gui or gue? So, what you have to do is put 2 points over the U. And then it would sound gui or gue. For example, pinguino, which means penguin. One more time, pinguino. Last time, pinguino. And now with gue, like G-U-E, with 2 points on the U. The word antigüedad. Antigüedad, which means ancient times, like very, very far away in the past. Antigüedad. Wasn't that hard, right? And the other letter that I want to show you today is the letter H, which is also a little tricky, because in Spanish the letter H doesn't have any sound. It's a mute letter. As we studied before, will be like preceded with the letter C, which sounds che, right? But if it's at the beginning of a word, it doesn't have any sound. It also could be in the middle of the word. Some examples of the letter H, it's hola, remember? Hola. I think we studied that before, right? Other word that starts with H is what I am doing right now, which is hablar, which means talk. Hablar. One last time. Hablar. And one example of this letter when it appears into the middle of a word, it's búho. 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 Today we're just going to study these two letters because they are a little tricky, right? And I also want you to learn how do we say good morning, good afternoon, good night, and bye-bye in Spanish. Good morning would be buenos días. Buenos días. One last time. Buenos días. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. One last time. Buenas tardes. Good night would be buenas noches. Buenas noches. One last time. Buenas noches. Very good. And to say goodbye, we have a lot of ways to say goodbye in Spanish. So the most popular are adiós, 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 or just hasta luego. Hasta luego. One last time. Hasta luego. I hope that you enjoy our class today and you keep practicing Spanish. Thank you. Adiós.